And now I want to talk about, we'll go into a little bit more depth in one of these stories. And this is a great local company, Genentech. I'm sure you're all familiar with this company. It's the founder of the biotech industry. It's right down the road here on 101. 11,000 employees, and they've already delivered over 20 applications on the Salesforce platform. And we're really privileged here to have the head of IT for the Americas here, Cindy Elkins. Let's welcome Cindy.
Hello.
Is that mic working?
Am I on?
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, Cindy. Tell us the Genentech story with the Salesforce platform. What are you doing? How's it been?
Fantastic. Thanks, George. So I'm going to just take a second to talk a little bit about Genentech, because I don't think many folks maybe know everything we do. So our portfolio of biotechnology products really focus around oncology, immunology, and in the future we're working on Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, et cetera. So we're really looking to meet those unmet medical needs through personalized healthcare. So very serious work on behalf of patients and physicians every day. So the couple of examples I brought with me to share, I think will really bring that to life. So when I think about innovation and speed, the most critical thing we need to do is be ready when the FDA approves a new medicine, right? So this year they approved Perjeta, which is for HER2-positive metastatic breast cancer. And when the FDA approves this, patients are waiting that moment, right? So all of our systems need to be ready to go, ready to answer the reimbursement question, ready to ship, ready to get the physician educated, et cetera. So many of the things that we've built on Force.com help us be ready that moment. And in the past, IT was taking like a year to get ready for these product launches. Now we're ready in months. So it's been a fantastic story, I think, from that perspective. One of the things that is very near and dear to my heart is one of our medicines called Lucentis, which is for wet macular degeneration, retinal vein occlusion, and most recently diabetic macular edema. And this is a very debilitating condition where the sight loss for people can happen very suddenly. So time is of the essence. And the brand came to us and said, we want to sell Lucentis over the web. And we thought, oh, that's going to be tricky, because if we show a physician an SAP screen, they won't like that. So
actually, they're not alone.
Yeah, exactly. We didn't think that would be the front of innovation. So we took Force.com and hooked it up. That was the screenshot they showed earlier. Hooked it up to SAP, credit card processing, inventory, alerts, reports, everything available on the Force.com platform. Now 50% of our volume for that medicine comes through that channel.
That's a tremendous impact, and a lot of our customers are using us to really be a front end to their SAP backends.
Yeah.
We've talked a little bit about mobility, touch, a little bit about social. What do you see the future of those technologies, the impact of that on Genentech's workforce or your customers
Sure.
and your partners, and how does Force.com or the Salesforce platform play into that for you guys?
Yeah, so I think if we look really out into the future, healthcare is becoming very personal and very 24/7, right? We've seen it happen in banking, we have seen it happen in shopping and retail, et cetera. So I think we're all trying to think about how is healthcare going to be like that in the future. And so we're trying to be ahead of this, as innovative as we can, to try and get as close as we can to the patients who, again, time is not on their side. So we need to make every moment count for them.
Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
You're doing
Thanks,
great
George.
work. Thank you. Good luck to you.